The power of planning. Why mastering event planning matters. Have you ever been to a truly unforgettable event? Maybe it was a conference that sparked new ideas, or a community festival that brought people together. Behind every successful event, there's a skilled planner. It's about crafting experiences that resonate with attendees. Whether it's a small party or a large conference, the principles remain the same. Get ready to unleash your inner event planning guru. Setting the stage, defining clear objectives for your event. Establish a solid foundation by defining clear objectives. What do you hope to achieve? What message do you want to convey? Clearly defined objectives guide every decision. Reflect your mission in theme and materials. Identify the primary purpose of your event. Educate, entertain, raise funds, or build relationships. Outline specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Track progress and measure success. Clear objectives ensure a shared vision for a successful event. The budget blueprint. Allocating resources and planning for the unexpected. Event planning often involves juggling various moving parts, and the budget is the glue that holds everything together. A well-structured budget is essential for making informed decisions, allocating resources effectively, and ultimately, staying on track financially. Begin by determining your overall budget. How much can you realistically afford to spend on this event? Once you have this figure, break it down into specific categories, such as venue rental, catering, entertainment, marketing, and decor. Research typical costs in your area and get quotes from multiple vendors to ensure you're getting the best value for your money. It's also crucial to factor in a contingency fund for unexpected expenses that may arise. Remember, it's easier to adjust your plans early on than to scramble for funds at the last minute. By creating a detailed budget and sticking to it as closely as possible, you'll be well equipped to navigate the financial aspects of event planning with confidence. Logistics and coordination. Securing the venue and building a reliable team. With clear objectives and a solid budget in place, it's time to tackle the logistical side of event planning. This stage involves securing the perfect venue, coordinating with vendors, and assembling a reliable team to support your vision. Choosing the right venue sets the tone for your entire event. Consider factors such as capacity, location, ambiance, and accessibility when making your decision. Once you've found your ideal space, secure it well in advance, especially if your event is scheduled during a peak season. Next, begin reaching out to vendors for catering, entertainment, photography, videography, and any other services you may need. Request detailed proposals, compare pricing and offerings, and don't hesitate to negotiate to secure the best deals. Finally, assemble a team of reliable individuals who can assist with tasks such as setup, registration, and guest management. Delegate responsibilities clearly and communicate effectively to ensure everyone is on the same page. Spreading the word. Effective marketing and promotion strategies. Even the most meticulously planned event won't be successful without an audience. That's where marketing and promotion come in. This stage involves spreading the word about your event, generating excitement, and ultimately, driving attendance. Identify your target audience. Who are you trying to reach with your event? What are their interests and preferences? Once you have a clear understanding of your audience, tailor your marketing efforts accordingly. Leverage the power of social media. Create engaging content, use relevant hashtags, run targeted ads, and collaborate with influencers to reach a wider audience. Utilize email marketing to send personalized invitations, reminders, and updates to potential attendees. Don't underestimate the power of traditional marketing methods. Distribute flyers, posters, and brochures in strategic locations frequented by your target audience. Consider partnering with local businesses or media outlets to get the word out. Creating an experience, ensuring a welcoming atmosphere for your guests. The overall guest experience determines your event's success. Every touchpoint should contribute to a positive experience. Consider the flow and layout of your event space. Pay attention to the ambiance. Create a welcoming atmosphere with lighting, music, and decor. Prioritize excellent customer service. Focus on creating a welcoming experience for lasting impressions. The day of on-site management and handling the unexpected. After weeks or even months of meticulous planning, the day of your event has finally arrived. Now, it's all about putting your plan into action and ensuring everything runs smoothly. But remember, even with the best laid plans, unexpected hiccups can arise. Arrive at the venue early to oversee setup and ensure everything is in its designated place. Do a final walkthrough to confirm all vendors are present and prepared. Have a designated point person for each area, such as registration, catering, and technical support. Maintain open communication with your team throughout the event, using walkie-talkies or a dedicated communication channel. Be prepared to troubleshoot any issues that may arise, whether it's a last-minute vendor cancellation or a sudden change in weather. Stay calm and collected under pressure. Remember, your demeanor sets the tone for the entire event. By remaining adaptable and solution-oriented, you can navigate any challenges that come your way and ensure a successful event. After the curtain falls, post-event follow-up and gathering feedback. Once the excitement of the event has subsided, it's time to shift your focus to post-event follow-up. This crucial step involves thanking attendees and stakeholders, gathering feedback, and evaluating the overall success of your event. Send out thank you notes or emails to attendees, sponsors, vendors, and volunteers. Express your gratitude for their contributions and highlight memorable moments from the event. This gesture goes a long way in building lasting relationships. Gather feedback from attendees through surveys, feedback forms, or social media engagement. Ask specific questions about their experience, what they enjoyed, and areas for improvement. This valuable information will help you refine your planning process for future events. Review your budget and track your expenses against your initial projections. Analyze the return on investment for any sponsorships or partnerships. This financial evaluation will provide insights for future budgeting and resource allocation. Essential event planning tools and resources. Navigating the world of event planning can feel overwhelming, but thankfully, a plethora of tools and resources are available to streamline your efforts and set you up for success. Utilize project management software. Tools like Trello, Asana, or Monday.com can help you stay organized, manage tasks, track deadlines, and collaborate with your team effectively. Explore event planning apps. Apps like Eventbrite, Whova, and Social Tables offer features for ticketing, registration, attendee engagement, and on-site management. Tap into online resources. Websites like BizBash, Event Manager Blog, and Special Events offer industry news, tips, trends, and inspiration for event professionals of all levels. Connect with other event planners, join online communities, attend industry conferences, and network with fellow event professionals to share knowledge, exchange ideas, and gain valuable insights. The event planner's mindset, embracing flexibility and creativity. Beyond the logistics and checklists, successful event planning hinges on cultivating the right mindset. It requires a unique blend of creativity, organization, adaptability, and a genuine passion for creating memorable experiences. Embrace flexibility. Remember, even with meticulous planning, unexpected challenges can arise. Be prepared to think on your feet, adjust your plans, and find creative solutions to navigate any obstacles that come your way. Nurture your creativity. Event planning is an opportunity to think outside the box and design unique experiences that captivate your audience. Don't be afraid to experiment with different themes, formats, or activities to create a truly memorable event. Develop strong communication skills. Effective communication is paramount in event planning. Clearly articulate your vision to your team, vendors, and attendees. Listen attentively to feedback and address concerns promptly and professionally. Conclusion. Your journey to becoming a confident event planner. Event planning is a dynamic and rewarding field that allows you to unleash your creativity, hone your organizational skills, and make a tangible impact on people's lives. While it requires meticulous attention to detail and the ability to juggle multiple moving parts, the rewards are immeasurable. Remember, every event, regardless of its size or scope, presents an opportunity to create something truly special. By embracing the principles outlined in this guide, you can confidently navigate the world of event planning and transform your visions into unforgettable experiences. Continue to learn, grow, and seek inspiration from others in the field. As you gain experience, you'll develop your unique style and approach to event planning, ultimately establishing yourself as a sought-after professional in this exciting and ever-evolving industry.